Welcome to our IT department's guide on how to refresh your Outlook profile in Office 365. There are times when your Outlook profile may need a refresh to ensure optimal performance. This can be due to a variety of reasons, such as software updates or changes in your network settings.
Before we start, please ensure you have your Office 365 login credentials ready. You'll need them to log back into your account after the refresh. If you don't remember your password, please reset it before proceeding. Now, let's get started. Open your Outlook application. Once you're in, go to the File tab, which is located on the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select Account Settings, and then click on Manage Profiles. In the Manage Profiles window, you will see two options. Click on Show Profiles. This will open a new window with a list of all the profiles you have on your Outlook. Find the profile you wish to refresh and select it. Once selected, click on Remove. Don't worry, this won't delete your emails or contacts. It just removes the profile from your Outlook application. After removing the profile, you'll need to add it back again. Click on Add and enter your profile name. Follow the prompts to add your email account back to Outlook. Remember to use your Office 365 login credentials here. Once you've added the profile back, close and restart your Outlook application. Your profile should now be refreshed and working optimally. If you encounter any issues during this process, please reach out to our IT support team. And that's it. You've successfully refreshed your Outlook profile in Office 365. Remember, a periodic refresh can help keep your Outlook running smoothly. Thanks for watching our guide, and stay tuned for more helpful tech tips.